The Safetots Designer Fire Guard is a curved top fire guard which will fit fireplaces up to 144 centimetres wide. The fire guard comes in a box with two separate sections. You'll get an instruction manual, two screw eyes which are used to secure the assembled fire guard to the wall. These screws are designed to go into wooden surrounds. However, if you have plasterboard or concrete surrounds, you can use raw plugs. And it also comes with a lock-in bracket which we'll show you how to fit in a minute. The two panels will come boxed like this. They're joined for transportation. So the first thing we do is we just pull this top section out of here, and we'll also do the same in the bottom corner here. And this will give you your first panel. The panel opens up. The top will drop into position over the brackets, and you lock into the position with the opening clip here and here. You'll repeat this process for the second panel, opening it up, dropping the top panel into position, locking at the first point here and the second point here. The two panels will join together, again using the clips on the front of the fire surround, one at the bottom, one in the middle and one at the top. And the final stage of the process is to join the two panels together using the lock-in bracket. The Safetots Designer Fire Guard would have come with one set of lock-in bracket, and the Designer Fire Guard extension will also come with a set of lock-in bracket. So to connect the lock-in bracket, what we do is we feed the small piece through the hole, then we take the bolt and the wing nut, pop the bracket over the top, drop the nut through the hole and secure using the wing nut. We can start this process by hand and then make our final tightenings using a Phillips screwdriver. So we just hold the wing nut in place, use the Phillips screwdriver and tighten up, and the bracket will be in place.